Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through downtown Kingston, and on the right is a bus park that we wouldn't really call it an epic failure, but it's a downtown municipal transport center. But clearly this bus park is not doing very well. No, we'll just leave it at that. That bus park was built at the wrong location. Now, if you look at the Halfway Tree Transport Center and how busy that transport center is, and you look at this downtown municipal transport center, be huge difference. Huge difference. So this one here isn't very busy at all. Okay, so it looks like a gas station is being built on the left, and it's the first I'm noticing it. I have to like to see the progress. Jamaica is progressing nicely. I like to see things being built, roads being fixed. Now, downtown Kingston is a very busy area. It's probably split into three parts. You have the commercial part where you have the lawyer offices, you have the banks, the insurance companies. Then you have the wholesale part where you have a lot of wholesale stores that would sell products, and then you have the residential part where you find the communities. So we are on Harbour Street now, driving through downtown Kingston. So up on Spanish Town Road, going into downtown Kingston is where you find more of the community part, the residential part. You have areas like Tivoli Gardens, Tavares Gardens, Trench Town, West Kingston communities, Denham Town, and that's the residential part. Then we're passing over Princess Street now, Orange Street, and well, when you get to areas like King Street, Princess Street, Orange Street, those are the where you find the wholesale stores, the shopping part of downtown Kingston. Very busy, a lot of stores. You name the store, they have a location there. And then you have the commercial part, which is more like Duke Street and a part of King Street, where you have the offices. Also, you have Ocean Boulevard where you have offices, a lot of offices. So that's basically downtown Kingston in a nutshell. Very busy place. Although Halfway Tree is busier, downtown Kingston is probably the second or third busiest place in Jamaica, because you also have New Kingston. So now downtown Kingston is in the parish of Kingston. And it's also in the city of Kingston, because the city of Kingston includes places in the parish of Kingston, and it includes places in the parish of St. Andrew. So a lot of persons use the word Kingston interchangeably. It's just a habit people have over time, but they're actually, the city of Kingston is separate from the parish of Kingston, because the city of Kingston includes parts of the parish of Kingston and parts of the parish of St. Andrew. Alright, so we are on Harbour Street, and straight ahead on the right is the Air Jamaica building. And Air Jamaica used to be the national airline of Jamaica, but it closed down a few years ago. Okay, so we're now passing over Duke Street, and this is where you find Duke Street and Ocean Boulevard, where you find most of the commercial buildings, the office spaces, those kind of things. On the left is Bearing and Accessories. On the right is the Air Jamaica building. Straight ahead on the right is the new Grace Kennedy head office. We're now passing over East Street, and if we were to turn right, we would go down to Port Royal Street, and then that could take us on to Ocean Boulevard. Now if we turn right here, we're going to turn right. But straight ahead, if we continue straight, we'd pass over Hanover Street and Gold Street, and then come to South Camp Road. We're going to turn right here and take a look at some of the office buildings in this area. Now, straight ahead is Bank of Jamaica, which is the central bank for Jamaica. And that building is actually one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. So I think it's in the top 10. And it overlooks the Kingston Harbour, which is a natural harbour, and beautiful view. So you're going to find on Ocean Boulevard, you have a lot of high-rise buildings because of the oceanfront view. Prime real estate in Jamaica. Okay, we're now going on to Port Royal Street, and this building now straight ahead on the left is the Scotia Centre, which is the second tallest building in Jamaica and the tallest building in downtown Kingston. The tallest building in Jamaica is actually the Pegasus Hotel, which is in New Kingston. Okay, we just passed over Duke Street. We're on Port Royal Street now. And we are now passing over Church Street. And we are now passing over King Street. Now, King Street is a very popular street, but it's probably the most popular location on it is probably the Supreme Court for Jamaica. Okay, on the right now is a restaurant called Moby Dick, and some persons say it sells the best curry goat in Jamaica. So Port Royal Street will take us all the way back to Marcus Garvey Drive. We're going to turn left onto Ocean Boulevard and take a look at the properties on Ocean Boulevard. So we're now at the intersection with Ocean Boulevard. If we go straight, we stay on Port Royal Street. If we turn left, we go on to Ocean Boulevard. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.